Ayan, guys. Punta lang tayo sa Main Street. I just need to do some walking. So, look. My outfit. So, we are here coming out from our estate. Meadowvale. I'm going out now. Oh my god, I'm breathless. It's only a few minutes. I'm breathless now. Sana hindi umulan kasi wala akong dalang umbrella or payong. So I have maybe to walk faster to reach. Now this is the road going to the main street, and I have to cross the other road, so I'm going to the other side. Ready now. It's nice to do a little bit of walking in the morning, especially yung hindi po talaga maaraw. Buti yung ganda nito, oh. Diba? So, tara, samahan niyo ako. It's nice days. All bulaklak. So, we go this way. This is Ashfield Court. So, I'm going to go the other side again. Now, I have to turn up.